Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.02675 and the 0.02569. We have also lost a horizontal line of support above the 0.025, flipping that key area back into resistance. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that you need to pay attention to. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.034, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2, highlighted on the chart using that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1 that lies above the 0.0241, an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us a low below the 0.02222. And after fully maximizing that target area, we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of that third wave. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, and that is between the 0.02575 and the 0.02683, an area within which you can see that we got rejected, starting a pullback in the formation of these wave 5, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the third wave. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.016 the 0.01776 as my next target area. And that is an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours in case we don't see a bounce back above our horizontal line of support above the 0.025. In case we continue nuking over here and maybe at some point we flip the low we made in the formation of the wave 3 back into resistance, then I will be expecting further downside until we fully maximize the minimum target area for that wave 5 to the lower side. And once we have a complete 5-wave structure to the lower side, then I will expect a substantial breakout to the upper side, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs. But for now, I'm only focusing on lower prices, having the 0.01762 as my next breakdown target area. And that is all that I'm expecting on the Vechain chart on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.